I think if you're looking for a camera bag that doesn't look like a camera bag, then this is the camera bag for you. So Brevitē reached out to me a little while ago and asked if I wanted to try out their, what's the name of this bag? So that's the swing ticket, the Jumper Photo. Now this is a camera backpack, would you believe, although it looks like a school bag. And I've actually been very impressed with how this camera bag's been built. Now, if you are looking for a camera bag for your summer holidays, then this is absolutely something that you need to have a look at and consider. So this is in the pine green colour, and having a look around the outside, as you can see, they really have quite a lot of features considering what a small bag it is. And it's a canvas build, and it has these, it has a weather sealed zip on the top here for the laptop, but these other ones don't look weather sealed. But I'm guessing this is going to be splash resistant at least. Now, let's go over the construction and the pockets so you can see and work out whether it's something that you might consider for your summer vacation of 2024. Now, on the front here, you have this double zipper pocket, and it has these drop pockets inside. So you've got two on the flap here. The zip only goes down halfway, by the way, on the side here. So you can only open it up like so, but that goes down to the bottom. I'm guessing you could probably fit an iPad mini in there. I don't have one, but yeah, I'm guessing you could fit that in there. So yeah, you've got these drop pockets, Osmo Pocket 3, that can go in there nicely. So that fits in there, and then you can put the battery grip maybe into one of the other pockets and various other bits and bobs you might want to take out on a day. And then what else? Where should we go next? The main event is the camera bag itself. So you open this, and then inside here you have camera inserts where you can put your mirrorless camera. Now, I've configured mine for my Fuji, so this is roughly how they show the layout on their website and on their social media. So yeah, I just wanted to show you, this is my Fuji X-T4 with an 18-120mm lens on, and that goes in there quite well. I've got a spare lens in there, and there's obviously loads of other room for other lenses and gear. Now, these dividers are nice and padded. And yeah, I mean, it's really quite well designed. I'm genuinely really impressed because I love camera bags. I have many of them, as I'm sure you know. That's one of the reasons why I started this gear channel. It's because I wanted to review lots of camera bags, and I'm genuinely impressed with this one. So yeah, nice and padded on the inside and inside that flap too. And then the beauty of this pocket is you have side access. So you can pull your camera out like so. Really convenient. Moving around the back, you have the pass-through here with the Brevitē logo on. Now, it's Brevitē, not Brevit. I've been told to pronounce it Brevitē. So I really like the branding. I think it looks really cool. And again, I'm really in love with the color. No, I'm not really in love with the color, but I think the colors, I think it's fantastic compared to every other black camera bag. And I think if you're looking for a camera bag that doesn't look like a camera bag, then this is the camera bag for you. Around the back again, I've put my Peak Design camera clip on here because I just wanted to show you that it does actually fit on the strap. They have quite spongy, reasonably thin this way, but padded straps. A bit featureless. The usual kind of adjuster with a plastic adjustment thingamajig on there. Can't remember the name. Adjuster. And then on the back also here, you have a little pocket for, I'm guessing you put your passport or wallet in there. I don't think you can fit a phone in there. I don't have my phone with me, but what can I show you that will fit in here? Nothing. AirPods, obviously quite easily fits in there. So yeah, that's quite a little handy sort of secret pocket for when your bag is on your back and then you want something a bit more secure, then you put your passport in there. Nice little zips, by the way. So corded zips on here, and I quite like the way they've designed those. So it's quite a nice little touch. And then color coordinated actual zippers. I'm not sure who actually makes the zippers. And moving around to this side, we have a little pocket on this side, and you can put a tripod in here. It is expandable. It's got these adjustment straps on here. And then you obviously have this little adjustment strap here. So you can put, let me just get something 1 second. So if you had a tripod like this, and very, very handy, this tripod for traveling, Ulanzi M20, I believe. Yeah, so this will go in. It's a great selfie stick as well, actually. It actually extends taller than myself. And that goes in there. You know, it's perfect height for that. You can fit a Peak Design travel tripod in there as well, but obviously your bag's going to get incredibly heavy if you do that. Now, what have I missed on the outside? You've got main pocket. Now, you could probably fit hang on a second. I've got my Peak Design tech pouch. So I use this all the time. So that could go in there. And that fits in there neatly. Looking inside this top flap, we have another pocket. So there's pockets everywhere with the zipper on. And then I think that's it for pockets in there. So this, you see in the bottom there, this padded divider, obviously underneath there are where your cameras are. Let's pop that tech pouch back in, zip that up. And then on the top, I think I mentioned before, you got a weather sealed zip, and this is where your laptop's going to go. I don't have my laptop with me, but I have my iPad in a Logitech case. Again, very good case. I'll list that below with a pencil on, and that will go in there. Obviously, your bag is going to start getting super heavy the more you load it up. So, yeah, all in all, I'm very impressed. This would be a perfect bag if you travel on little airlines like Ryanair, because it's a soft bag. It will pack down as much as you've got it packed out. It's going to fit in one of those luggage size devices. Sometimes when you're passing through the airport, you can pass through with huge camera bags and they don't even blink an eye at you. But recently, they have started checking bags, and this, I know, is correct dimensions for a flight like, or a carrier like Ryanair. So yeah, 100% take that. If you're taking a roller, and you can stick this over the actual suitcase handle. So that was our quick look at the Brevitē, the Jumper Photo Backpack. Let me know what you think in the comments below. What bag were you thinking of taking on your holidays this year? What camera bag? And what would you be packing into your camera bag? You could probably fit a drone pouch into the top section on this. I don't have a drone currently, but yeah, I think if you had a Mini Pro, you could probably fit all of that into the top section easily. But yeah, this is quite weighty. Oh, you just want to see me wearing it as well, don't you? So this is what it looks like on. Side profile. I really like it. I really like the color. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. And yeah, let me know if you're going to buy this bag. If you are, I've got a link below. Please click on that. It will really help me out, help develop this channel further, and provide more gear reviews for you in the near future. So again, thank you very much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and consider subscribing, ring that bell if you'd like to be notified of future gear reviews coming soon. See you in the next video. Bye for now.